षष्ठः पाठः भ्रान्तो बालः. We are learning about the boy who was very lazy and was not interested to go to school. In last part we learned that without going to school he left alone and went to park. Let us continue with that part today. अथ सः पुष्पोद्यानं व्रजन्तं मधुकरं दृष्ट्वा तं क्रीडितुं द्वित्रिवारम् आह्वयत्. तथापि सः मधुकरः अस्य बालस्य आह्वानं तिरस्कृतवान्. अथ सः पुष्प उद्यानं व्रजन्तं मधुकरं दृष्ट्वा तं क्रीडितुं द्वित्रिवारम् आह्वयत्. तथा अपि सः मधुकरः अस्य बालस्य आह्वानं तिरस्कृतवान्. Boy went to the garden. There he couldn't find any of his friends, so he thought of playing with some animals, birds, insects, etc. So while thinking like this, Atha saha pushpodhyanam vrajantam madhukaram drishtva, he saw one honeybee roaming around the garden. Tam kriditum dvitrivaram ahvayat, he invited that honeybee to come to play 2-3 times. Tathapi saha madhukaraha asya balasya ahvanam tiraskritavaन्, but that honeybee refused to come to play with the boy and refused the invite of the boy. Ahvana means invitation, madhukaraha honeybee, tiraskritavaन् means refused. Then he invited a honeybee to play who was roaming in the garden, but honeybee refused. Atha, then saha, he, pushpodhyanam, garden, vrajantam, roaming, madhukaram, honeybee, kriditum, to play, dvitrivaram, 2 or 3 times, ahvayat, invited, balasya, of boy, ahvanam, invitation, tiraskritavaन्, rejected or refused. Tato bhuyaha hathamacharati bale saha madhukaraha agayat vayam hi madhusangraha vyagraha iti. Tataha bhuyaha hatam acharati bale saha madhukaraha agayat vayam hi madhusangraha vyagraha iti. But that boy was very stubborn to play with that honeybee. So bhuyaha hatamacharati, when he was very stubborn to invite that honeybee to come to play with him, saha madhukaraha agayat, in a singing voice that honeybee said that vayam hi madhusangraha vyagraha iti, we are busy in collecting the nectar. So we are busy, we have lot of work, we need to collect nectar, so we don't have time to play with you. When boy showed stubbornness, honeybee said that we are busy in collecting the nectar. Tato bhuyaha, lot, hathamacharati, showing stubbornness, agayat, sang, madhusangraha vyagraha, busy in collecting. Tada saha balaha alambhashanena anena mityagarbitena kitena iti vichintya anyatra dattadrishtihi chanchva trinashalakadikam adadanam ekam chatakam apashyat. Tada saha balaha alam bhashanena anena mithyagarvitena kitena iti vichintya अन्यत्र दत्तदृष्टिः चञ्च्वा तृणशलाकादिकम् आददानम् एकं चटकम् अपश्यत्. When honeybee totally refused, तदा सः बालः, that boy thought that alam bhashanena anena mityagarvitena kitena, enough of talking to this insect which is very arrogant. Mithyagarvitam means arrogant. So there is no use of talking to this arrogant insect. Iti vichintya. Having thought like this, anyata atra datta drishtihi. He searched here and there, and chanchva trinashalakadikam adadanam ekam chatakam apashyat. He saw one sparrow who was collecting grass, twigs, etc. with its beak. So he saw another sparrow in the garden. Then boy thought that it's useless to talk to this arrogant insect, and looked at a sparrow who was collecting grass with its beak. Alam, enough, bhashanena, by talking, mithya garvitena, false pride, kitena, with insect, vichintya, having thought, anyatra, somewhere, dattha drishtihi, saw, chanchva, by beak, trinashalakadikam, grass and twigs, adadanam, collecting, ekam chatakam, one sparrow. Avadacha, ai chatakapota, मानुषस्य मम मित्रं भविष्यसि एहि क्रीडावः एतत् शुष्कं तृणं त्यज स्वादूनि भक्ष्यकवलानि ते दास्यामि इति अवदत् च अयि चटकपोत मानुषस्य मम मित्रं भविष्यसि एहि क्रीडावः एतत् शुष्कं तृणं त्यज स्वादूनि Bhakshya te dasyami iti. Boy said that, O sparrow, manushasya mama mitram bhavishyasi. You are going to be a friend of human being. You are very lucky. Ehi kridavaha. Let us come and play. Etat shushkam trinam tyaja. You leave this dry grass, etc. Swaduni bhakshya te dhasyami. I will give you tasty foods. So you no need to eat these dry grass, etc. I will give you tasty foods. So please come with me and let us play. Boy said, O sparrow, you are going to be a friend of human being. Come, let us play. Leave these dry grasses. I will give you tasty foods. Ai chatakapota, O sparrow, manushasya, of human being, mama mitram, my friend, bhavishyasi, will be, ehi kridavaha, let us play, shushkam, dry, trinam, grass, tyaja, leave, swaduni, tasty, bhakshya kavalani, foods, dasyami, will give. Satu मया वटद्रुमस्य शाखायां नीडं कार्यम् इत्युक्त्वा स्वकर्मव्यग्रो अभवत्. सः तु मया वटद्रुमस्य शाखायां नीडं कार्यम् इति उक्त्वा स्वकर्मव्यग्रः अभवत्. But sparrow said that I have to build my nest in the branch of banyan tree. Ityuktva swakarma vyagro abhavat. Having said like this, he got engaged in his work. He, sparrow, replied that I have built nest in the branch of banyan tree and engaged in his work. Vatadhrumasya shakayam, in the branch of banyan tree, needam, nest, swakarma vyagraha, engaged in his work. So let us learn this third part today, and we will continue with the continued part tomorrow. Thank you, children.